Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to apply all of my steps into your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser, and now a three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options which we can remove, so and the website history, tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. We can change the time range, it's up to you, and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them. So in the advanced, we've got saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks, or all time. It's up to you, and tap on delete data. And basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.